So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to trade in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. And now, as you can see, this is my chart. Okay. So we have here the sell and buy panel. If you can't see this trading panel, just click on it here, as you can see. Now, let's say, for example, I want to sell. Okay. So all you have to do is click on sell here, and you will see this panel here. Now we have here the type market execution. We have also pending order. So I will choose, for example, market execution. After that, we will choose the pending order or the limit order. Okay. Now we have here the volume. You can change the volume also from here if you want. Now I will choose, for example, one lot. Okay. You can choose whatever you want. We have here the stop loss. So as we said, I want to sell. So my stop loss will be, let's say, for example, here. Okay. So 1680, 16 to 80. So I will change it here, 16 to 80. And my take profit will be, let's say, for example, here, 15,800. 15,800. For you, you have to do your analysis. This is just a video. And we have here comments. You can add your comments if you want. So click on sell by market and click on OK. And now, as you can see, this is our order here. If you can't see this tab, go to trade. We have here the symbol Euro USD, the ticket, the time, type sell, volume one lot. We have the price. This is our stop loss, take profit, and this is the price. Now we have here profit, $7. If you see color blue, then you are making money. If you see color red, then you are losing money. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the stop loss and the take profit. So all you have to do, for example, for the stop loss, you can drag it, for example, to the top like this and click on modify. Click on OK. If you want to change also the take profit, the same thing. Just click on it, drag it to the top or to the bottom, whatever you want. For example, here, and click on modify and click on OK. If you want to close this order, just click on this close here, as you can see, and click on buy. Now you will have to buy or close, one of these. So I will click on close and click on OK. Now let's say you want to make a limit order or a pending order. It's the same thing. So let's click on buy, for example, this time. Go to type and choose pending order. Now we have here buy limit, as you can see. You can also change it to sell limit if you want. We have here the volume, again, one lot. We have here the price. You have to choose the price where you want to buy or sell. So let's say I want to buy, let's say here on 15,910. Okay. So I will type it here, 15,910, like this. And since I want to buy, so my stop loss will be here. For example, 15,690, 15,690. This is just an example, and my take profit will be here at the top. So let's say 16,680. 16,680. Okay. We have here expirations. This means good until cancel. We have here the expiration date, and we have here a comment if you want to add a comment. And now just click on place and click on OK. And now, as you can see here, this is our pending order or our limit order. This is your order. This is your stop loss. And this is your take profit. Okay. Also, you can change them if you want, like this. Just click on modify and click on OK. As you can see, you can also modify your pending order. Just click on it and drag it like this, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.